students. Hope all of you are enjoying your summer vacations. Summer vacation is a time during which you can improve your life skills. You can enjoy doing different things. So make your summer vacation more interesting. I am going to show you a simple way of making a flour using atta. Very simple. You need only atta, wheat flour and oil. That's it. Everything is available at home. You don't have to go to market at all. See now what exactly you have to do. Take this much of atta in your hand. Take little bit of oil. Take little bit of atta in your hand. Then hold it this way and slowly make a strip out of this. Now see students, you can very easily make strip. Make it uniform with little bit of atta you can put if you want. Now see, such a long strip I made with atta. See, cut it from here and keep it aside. Now make another strip. Again, if you need, you can take more atta. Hold it very softly and make a long strip. Again cut it from here, keep it aside. Apply only one drop of oil. Again atta. You have to adjust according to the thickness of it. Again hold it here. Slowly make strip this way. Uniform strip. Now see, I have 3 strips here. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Now what you have to do, join all these 3 strips together this way. This way you have to join. Okay, this way. Now make plait out of it. See how I am making it. See, traditionally this is made during Ganpati. You can make it till the end and press it. Remove the extra atta. Now I made one strip, plait like this. It is beautiful plait. Now what exactly you have to do? I have made plaits like this before and joined them. What you have to do, students? See now. Start from one end and slowly arrange this plait in circular direction. Very sweetly. Delicate work it should be, otherwise atta may cut from the center. Okay, see this way. You can adjust it in circular way. This flour is ready. Now plait which I made, I broke it in two pieces when I joined here, and other I made in this way. So these are the leaves. Now see students, beautiful flower made out of atta. Now you can tell your mother to fry it and you can eat it. You can make different types of designs using this plait. You can make tree, you can make any geometrical shape, whatever you want. So during the summer vacation, make different types of designs or eatable items or whichever you like, and make and enjoy it. Thank you.
Thank you. And don't forget to participate in Fun and Laugh with Vidya One.